Hello friends, how are you all doing? Today I'm going to show you some exclusive suits and blazer collections in sizes 44 and 46. Many of you are waiting to see these collections in big sizes. So what are we waiting for? Let's start! So the first collection I'm going to show you is size 44. We'll see 44, then we go to 46. So we are going to see first 44 collection size blazers. Check this out friends. 44 blazer, only rupees 2250. It's a nice designer party wear blazer, exclusively at Shahinshah. Let's see the next one. We have blazers for both party wear as well as formal wear. If you have a formal office party or you have a meeting to attend, we have some nice blazers for that purpose. See, this is 1900 checks blazer. I am showing you the prices also so that you should believe what I say. It's 2700. We also have a plain black. See, we have this lovely maroon color. This is nice soft material blazer. You can wear it as both casual and formal wear. Both you can wear, party wear. Rupees 2700. We have a plain black blazer too. See, just rupees 1800. If you want black with some party shining, see this is comes the shining. The price 2600. Some nice casual blazer. You can wear to your office or a party. You can pair it up with the jeans and a t-shirt inside. Looks very smart and trendy. Available size 44, rupees 2700. Also 46 also available in all these, but we'll come to that later. 2350 for the lovely blazer friends. Checks. So do visit us. You can come here or also order online. Our shop, we have a lot of parking facility right opposite the shop. It's right on the main road. You can do visit us. Come and see the exclusive collections. So these are the collections what we just saw in blazers. Now let's move on to suits. So friends, moving on to suits. The first suit we are going to see is a party wear suit. The price rupees 2300. This is a two-piece suit. Comes with a ready-made pant. See, the suit size is 44 and the pant you get is 40 waist. When your waist is 41, we can adjust and give you and you can wear it. The ready-made, you just come. What you like, you buy it, try it and you can wear it immediately. No alteration required. The fit and finish is very good. We have this nice navy blue matte finish, very good for office wear, formal wear. This also comes with the pant. The pant for this 3800. The next nice party wear blue color. Usually blues look very nice for men. So we have lovely collection of blues. We also do have maroon, wine, purple color too. All these are party wear sets, 2800 with a pant again, with a ready-made pant. Next, moving on to formal suits. We have exclusive formal suits for office wear or you don't want shining. We have plain suits. Let me show you that. See, these are formal plain suits. You can either wear it with a jeans or you want to wear it for office wear. You can wear this for office wear also. What you are seeing is a grey color. This comes with a pant bit. See, this comes with a pant bit. We will do the pant stitching free for you. You don't want the pant to be stitched. You want to take it as it is. 500 rupees we reduce it. So the price is 4200. See this friends. 4200. We will stitch the pant and give you free in this. If you don't want the pant as it is, you want to take it 4200 minus 500, 3700 with the pant bit. 4200 with the ready-made pant. We also have some colors I'll show you. These are all formal suits, nice formal suits. You want to wear it for an engagement, office, reception. All you are seeing this is size 44, two-piece suits. We have close to 6 to 7 colors available, all this formal suits. I'm trying to show you the best shade, so you will know exactly what it is. Navy blue. We have this khaki color and we have the lovely navy blue. We have the biscuit color, light fawn color. This is. So all this is formal wear. Next, I'm going to show you some 4-piece suit sets. Yes, 4-piece with a waistcoat, tie, coat and pant. Moving on to that, let's start. We are going to see some 4-piece suit sets. 4-piece suit set come with a. We have a coat. Then inside we have a waistcoat, plain color and printed both available. Then you have a tie and then a pant. So total completely ready made. This we will all stitch it and give immediately what your length is. Based on that we'll adjust and give you. Complete ready made set. Just come buy and wear it next day. The fit and the finish is superb. So you must be wondering the price of this, what it might be. Just guess the price, only rupees 3700, rock bottom price. We are the lowest collection, we are the lowest price shop in Chennai for suits. Best collections of blazers and suits only in Chennai. The one and only shop, Shahenshah. We don't have any branches. I'm going to show you some colors also in this. See this? 3250 friends. Showing you the price. What we show you in the video is what we'll give you when you come to shop. The best collection is what I'm showing you friends. Anytime please do drop in, you'll be surprised to see the collection. This also comes with a 4-piece set. The price this is rupees 6995. So we have in 3000 as well as 6000 range. Complete party wear suit, nice for the groom, for your friends, reception, sister's wedding. It's a very nice, you can wear it for a party wear with a ready-made pant at the tie. Thank you so much friends, hope you like the video. Next, let's move to the size 46. Let's start friends. Let me show you some 46 size blazers and suits collection. We have this lovely, nice, casual and formal blazers. This can also be worn for a formal wear, also for a party wear. You can club this with a nice t-shirt and a jeans or a cotton pant. See this friends, rupees 2700. We have 5 colors. We have a grey, blue, maroon and a black shade. So size 46 blazers. We also do have size 46 available in formal suits. Complete nice formal suit. These come with a ready-made. This comes with a pant bit. I'll show it to you. See the size 46, 4500. I'll show you the colors friends in this. All formal suits. See, all these come with a pant bit. Based on your fitting, we will stitch and give you this for free. You have to just pay us this amount 4200 and the pant stitching is totally free. Just come give us your measurements to a tailor and we will stitch the pant and give you in 2 days time. If you don't want the pant to be stitched, you want to take it as it is and go, then we will reduce 500 rupees from the price. So this is 4500. You don't want the pant to be stitched, just pay 4000 rupees. That's all. Lovely coats available in 46. The one and only shop, Shahenshah. We bring you affordable collections in suits and blazers in all sizes. Thank you so much friends. See you soon at Shahenshah.